So rectifier. So rectifier means you can call it as an AC to DC converter is called a rectifier. So convert AC power supply to the DC power supply. It is called as a rectifier. Okay, good. Then next one is a where it is applicable. So see that one, mobile phone charger. My mobile phone is a DC. Okay, the battery is a DC. So that one charging purpose you can use a rectifier. DC motor applications, so you can use for that rectifier is needed. Another is industrial application rectifier is needed. The next one is the types of rectifier. The types of rectifier is totally you can divide it into two types. One is half wave rectifier, second one is a full wave rectifier. Okay, half wave rectifiers. If I have see the half wave rectifier, there are two possibilities. One is uncontrolled rectifier, second one is controlled rectifier. What is uncontrolled? Diode is used. Controlled means what? So you may be used for that SCR. So that's why it is called controlled. Okay, load wise either you can use R load or RL load. You can combination of RLE load. You can use RLE load is nothing but it is a motor load. Then full wave rectifier. Full wave rectifier means, so here is it will go to similarly. There are two type available. One is a fully controlled. Second one is a off control, or another name is called semi controlled. Off control or another name is called semi control. As per the syllabus, we'll go to these two topic only there. So we'll go ahead on that semi-controlled converter. Okay, or another name is called off control converter. Then next one is a fully controlled converters. So fully controlled converters. Okay, it's a fully controlled. Fully controlled means there are four thyristors. Semi-controlled means only two thyristors used. So that is a part I have already so you explained to you for the three video I shared to you. So you have see that one. This diagram is called what about this one full. Okay, full wave rectifier. Full wave rectifier, is it controlled rectifier? No, there are four thyristor is used. So no controlling, no SCR is used. So that's why it is called as a, okay, it's uncontrolled rectifier. It's a full wave. So full wave means see that one. So one cycle, okay, one cycle is a 180 degree and 180 to 360 degree like you will going to produce. That is a full wave. The full wave rectifier you can see that one there are major two type. One is semi-controlled rectifier or another name is called off control rectifier. You can use the load either R load or R load you can use. So see here there are two thyristors. Okay, two thyristor is used, two diode is used. Okay, you have used the two thyristor and two diode. Mode 1, how it is operated, off control converter as well as fully control converter operation is both is same. The operation symbol is called multiplication symbol, or simple to say x. X. How to write the x? That is my question. How to write the x? First you can write the left slash, then after that right slash. So this is called the x. So left slash. So these two is working. Mode 1, these two is left slash is working. So thyristor and then diode D3. So pace, the path you can write pace to the thyristor to the load to the D3 to the neutral. So this is a working mode 1. Mode 2 condition right slash. So right slash means these two is working. So bottom is a pace due to the negative off cycle. Bottom is a pace to the thyristor. See, thyristor is unidirectional only flow. So this thyristor is unidirectional only we are consider. Okay. So unidirectionally we are going to consider thyristor 1, thyristor 1 to load to the D2, D2 to the neutral. So like this is a common about the operations. Okay, fine. The next one. Okay, this is called off control converters. Two SCR is used. This SCR is you may be connected here or you may be connected here. If it is called a symmetric, this is called asymmetric. Okay, but both also it will work. Symmetric because this cross only based it will going to work. Okay, cross. Okay, coming to that one R load, RL load. So R load means output voltage and output current both also similar. Okay, what is the firing angle you are going to apply? So I will going to apply the firing angle. Okay, so I will going to apply the firing angle. So I have there are two firing angles source the variation. I will going to apply the firing angle. Okay, so 90 degree I have applied the firing angle. This is a much of that variations. So positive off cycle, negative off cycle. Suppose my firing angle is very reduced. My firing angle is reduced. See that one? Okay, 30 degree. So 30 degree like it is. So variation of the firing angle. This is a common the waveform output voltage as well as output current. Two alpha values I have so you. One is 90 degree, one is a 30 degree. Okay. Okay, then you will going to trigger the pulse. So pulse you will going to trigger, it will going to work from the 0 to 180 degree, this one. So here is the 180 to 360. So it is starting is a 180. 180 means it's alpha is equal to 0. Okay, so like two pulse you are going to use, otherwise not get use you can use. Not get is if you have used means you can't vary. So okay, that is a only things here is not get is used. So if you have design idea, you will going to learn about these ones. Okay, see that once. So I have not get is used. Due to the not get, second thyristor it is start from the no firing angles, no firing angles. So that's why it is coming like. Okay, then next one, fully controlled converters, fully controlled rectifiers. So what is fully controlled? So four thyristor is used. As usual operation is what is about that one? Left slash, right slash. So these two is the pulse is the same. See that one, here is a gate pulse and the same gate pulse is applied here because these two is the operate at your time. Another one is these two is operate in the next time. Okay, negative of cycles. So that's why the pulse is a common pulse. What is this one? 0 to 180, 180 to 360. The load is the R load. If I have used R load and firing angle is 90 degree, yes 90 degree, after that it is conducted. So the waveform, so waveform wise R load and R load of the both. Okay, R load and RL load, RL load with freewheeling diode, both is the same. R load and RL load is both also same. Okay, the next one, what is this one? Okay, if I have used the NOT gate, yes, so second half cycle is no firing angle due to the NOT gate. So this is about the so far we are discussed about off controlled and fully controlled converters. Suppose I will going to do on the reverse connections. See that one, I mean not reverse connection, I will going to reverse the thyristor. See the thyristor is I have connected reversely. So see here, so I have connected reverse the thyristors. If I have connected reverse and the source I also should be connected reverse. If I will going to connect the source is a reverse, then what will happen? My waveform is a negative waveform. This is called a B converter. This is called B converter. See the output voltage below, very important, B converters. So this is called B converter. What is A converter? This is called A converters. This is called A converters. So A converter, okay. So A converter, if source is a source and the other one is a thyristor is a reverse. So reversely I got connected means it is called B converters. So your waveform. So B converters. Okay, why I am saying about these two? These two is a combined. Okay, A converter and a B converter is combined, it is called dual converters. Dual converter is very simple. So this is a B converters, A converter and a B converter. What is this B converter? B converter means the thyristor is a reverse direction with respect to A converters and the source is connected across this ones. So here is the source is here and as well as this point. So but in a simulation, plus terminals would be connected here and the minus terminal connected here. So it's just it is a reverse. So what is a dual converters? A converter, B converter, A converter load and B converters. So I will go to here available. Yes. See there, this is a dual converters. What is a dual converter? A converter. A converter is there. Okay, load and B converter is there. B converter source is a commonly I got connected. No separate sources I will going to give. So B converters, A converter, B converters. Okay, same as it is the firing angle. This is a first slash, right slash. Similarly, left slash, right slash working same as it is. But it is a breaker. Breaker is used. There are four breaker is used. So why the breaker is used? Mean the breaker is needed for that is stopping. Stop. You will going to stop. First A work, then after that B. For example, simple to say, you are coming outside to inside the college. Outside to inside the college. So he is a boy. Boy is coming. Boy is coming to the college. Okay. Then so there's okay. The security is he's maintaining the distance between boy and the gate. So boy and the girl is he want to maintain their because of the corona situations. Due to the corona situations, okay, okay, boy is entered to the college. So the security is he is a breaker. The security is a breaker. So what he will say? Oh, you wait, yeah, you can wait. Second person, you can wait. So after some seconds, then second person is permitted. Then after that, as usual, next one girl is coming. So what will happen? The security is saying, okay, you can wait. Okay, after some seconds, okay, some 30 seconds, then A converter is permitted. So like it is operated, A converter, break, B converter, break, A converters, like it is operated. This is called a dual converters. See how what I'm saying. See, it is a break. Break means it is called a Okay, non-circulating. There are dual converters classified into two types. It will going to classify into two types. One is a circulating current. Second one is a non-circulating current. What is that one? These two you should be understand. So non-circulating means no connection. A converter, break, okay, B converter. Similarly, next one, B converter is operated. After that, again break, A converters. So like it will going to break, okay, it will going to work. But circulating current means, what is the circulating current? Circulating current means the security is permitted you. Yeah, okay, you can go both members, you can go A B. So A, B, B is going at a time. It's a possible. At a time they will going to go on that one. Okay, so A, B they will going to flow coming inside the college. Similarly, B, A they will go. Similarly, come inside A, B, B, A. So what is the meaning this ones? So that is the circulation possible to touching. So that is called a corona. It will going to spreaded. So that is called circulations. Corona it will going to spreaded. That is called circulations. That is called circulating. In diagram wise, what is the differentiation means? A converter, B converter. Circulating current means here inductance is used. So here one inductance and the bottom is one inductance is used means you will going to get it on the circulation of the current. Okay, circulation time. So it is also operated, A also operated, B also operated. So possible on the circulation, but non-circulating current, no. So okay, very strict about that one. Corona time, no strict about that one. No touch between the first student and the second student. First student entered to the college, some break means he is holding you. Second student you should be hold for that 30 seconds, then permitted. So similarly, that is called a break. Non-circulation. See the diagram, it's called as a non-circulation. This is the diagram is called a non-circulation. Non-circulation means it doesn't contain any inductance. I'm not use any inductance in across to the load. So not across, it is a load near. Okay, inductance is connected. See, A converter, B converter, A converter, B converter, like it is operated. This is called a dual converters. So zoom it also. Okay, that's all. See that one, here is inductance is used. Inductance is used means that is called circulation current. That's all. Inductance is used, circulation possible to flow this one as well as this one. That's all. So this is about the major first one. Then second one, what you will going to know, this is a important. What is this one? Okay, RL. Okay, here actually measure this to load. Another one is, what is this one? R load. Okay, R and RL and RL with freewheeling diode, all are equal. So here all are equals. But where off control converter or semi-control converters, R load, RL load and RL load with freewheeling diode are equal. But here what about that one? R load equal RL with freewheeling diode is equal. With freewheeling diode is equal. But RL is different. RL with freewheeling diode is okay. RL with freewheeling diode is waveform is okay, but RL is different. RL waveform is different. Clear? So this is about the waveform. Now see, the waveform is very simple, as well as another one is the writing equation is very simple. Okay, writing the equation based the problem, you will going to solve the problem. That is also you will going to do. So what is that one? Only you should know about the waveform. What is the waveform? First one. Of control converter or semi-control converters. So what is that one? R load. So here I said R load, RL load. See that one? Here is M1 is same M1, M2 is same M2. Okay, because okay, it's a common character. Common. Okay, common. What is the common? R is equal to RL, RL is equal to RL with the freewheeling diode. You have see the diagrams. So this is a waveform. In the waveform you have see, I have connected R load only. R load you have see that one. So positive half cycle, 30-degree delay. So the like it is a it is conducted from alpha to pi, alpha to 180 degree. That's all. That's one I have written alpha to pi. Then second one, when it is on, okay, here is a not on. Okay, pi plus alpha to 2 pi. It is on. Yes, that's all. R load, RL also same. RL with freewheeling diode is same. Let's we going to see this RL load. What about that one? Same. Output voltage is the same. But output current, what about output current? It is a continuous current because of the inductance nature, continuous current. Next one, RL with freewheeling diode, what? RL with freewheeling diode. Yes or no? Okay, where is this? Excuse me. Okay, so I don't have, okay, no problem. You don't, okay. So RL with freewheeling diode, the same waveform. You will going to obtain the same waveform. That's all. Then next one, okay, fully control converters. So alpha to pi, pi plus alpha, okay, to 2 pi. This is R load. R load is same as it is. So these two is R load is common. Okay, so this two is